Hi everyone, today we're going to do coconut chicken nuggets with a homemade salsa. I'm going to try and do this as quick as I can. So, I've got some bread, any bread. I just got some part cooked baguettes, but it can be anything you want. Get the bread. I'll just get a chopping board, sorry. Chop it into small pieces. Whack it in food processor. I'll get the lid off. God dear, that's hard, Sam. Bloody hell, I can get me bloody baguette in there. Right, come on, let's go. Does help if you turn it on the mains. So what we're doing, basically, just making some breadcrumbs. You can use any old bread. Stale bread's the best. I haven't got any stale bread this morning, so I'm just going to make some quick breadcrumbs with this. It's still a chunky now, I can feel it. There we go, nice and fine, beautiful. Look at that. Oh look, there's big lumps there. What's there big lumps? That'll do it. So, we'll take those lumps out. Oh, I can't get it off. Right, so we'll take the lumps out. So we got like some breadcrumbs there. Then we're going to add, with that, we're going to add some desiccated coconut. Again, any old desiccated coconut, doesn't matter. Whack that in. About 50-50 I go for. So half breadcrumbs, half desiccated coconut, some coconut. You got that. Lovely, look at that. That's our coating. I'm just going to whack a bit of salt on it in here. Just season it up a bit. Beautiful. Then in a second bowl, I'm gonna add a bit of flour, self-raising or plain. Plain's best. I haven't got it, so I'm using self-raising. That's fine. Right, and in the final bowl, we're gonna make an egg wash. Egg wash is easy. It's literally egg and some milk. There you go. So this is called pane, the process. It's a 3-step process. Flour, egg wash, breadcrumbs. It's called pane. Just gonna get a whisk. Whisk up the eggs. Get the egg wash. And that's it.
Doesn't matter how much milk.
No. It's just, all you're doing is basically making a glue. You know when you're a kid and you make glue with flour and water to make stuff? That's the same process. So you put in the chicken in the flour, then the egg wash, that makes like a glue. And then lastly you put it in with breadcrumbs and coconut and that just sticks it together. It just sticks it together. That's all. So we've got some chicken fillets here. We'll take a chicken fillet, give it a good toss in the flour, into the egg wash. Toss into the flour, into the egg wash, toss into the flour, and so on and so forth. So, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to have one hand for dry stuff and one hand for wet stuff. See, I've never got it muddled up then. I always get it muddled up, I always end up with sticky hands. What it is, right, okay. You don't want sticky fingers. Keep your fingers dry, try and, yeah, right, and then dry. So there we go, look, that's stuck to it lovely. That's what we're after. Beautiful. So we've got about 5 or 6 of these done. You can smell that coconut, can't you? It smells lovely, doesn't it? I love the smell of coconut in the morning. Right, there we go. So then we take our breaded coconut. We've got some hot oil on here.
They're going to be quite big chicken nuggets, aren't they?
These are Goujons. I thought Goujons are more posh.
Oh.
I thought rather than nuggets, we'll up it and we'll do Goujons. Are you feeling that?
Yeah.
Like, because we're posh and we don't do nuggets. It's not McDonald's. I know we did the Big Mac, but I'm gonna up the ante a bit here and make something nice. Right, we don't want the rest of that bread, so we'll get rid of that. We're gonna make a salsa. Now we're gonna wing this, so we're just gonna make a random salsa. So I'm just gonna give that a wash out. We'll get the blaze back in. Right, I'm gonna get an onion. We'll use about half of it. Take the skin off. Chop it up a little bit, get it going. Whack that in. Fresh tomato. Whack that in. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll do 2 for luck. Then I've got to put some herbs and spices. Bit of cumin. You like a bit of cumin? You like cumin, don't you? There we go. Whack that in. There's not a lot in there. There we go. Bit of Spanish paprika. This is the spicy stuff, so it gives it a bit of kick. So we'll use this instead of the chilli. And it gives it a nice smoky flavour as well. Bit of pepper. Bit of salt for seasoning. Secret. Right, ingredient, tomato ketchup. Love it. Whack some of that in. So we've got all that in there. Now lastly, I'm going to add, let me just finish peeling this, a little bit of carrot. It gives it a little bit of crispness. Gonna whack that in. That on. Give it a whiz. And my cheat ingredient is tomato ketchup on this. It's so much easier than adding. I mean, you can add vinegar, sugar, stuff like that to it. But if you've got a cheap tomato ketchup, it does the job even better. Right, so we take that off. Put that in there. That is our salsa. That's looking good. So we'll go back, we'll have a look at our goujons. Goujons just means strips. It's a French term. Just means strips of chicken. They're looking nice. Not quite golden yet, but they're crisping up lovely. So, I'll clear this out of the way. Good nice plate out. You see in those little shot cups, Vicky? You've got a little shot cup.
Don't know.
See if you've got a little cup, because we had some lovely little cups that were nice for putting like little salsa or something in. That is a pretty one. This looks nice. So put that on the plate. We get a little spoon. Put salsa in it. We'll check our nuggets again. Or goujons, sorry. Not nuggets. They're not nuggets. Correct me, Sam, if I'm doing it wrong. Because I always get it wrong. They're crisping up lovely now. We want them nice and golden. You don't want them too pale. No one likes a pale goujon. I'm going to knock some more up while they're doing for my dinner.
Still got some left in there.
I know. I'm doing them 3 at a time. Some can fit in the pan. It's such a small pan. I should have got a larger pan. Still, never mind. If you've got a deep fat fryer, obviously, deep fat fryer is ideal. But we don't do a lot of fried, so we haven't got one. Get rid of that. That's a good coat. Right, by
That was your dry hand.
Yeah, I know it's too late now, isn't it? I know, I've just got a blooming breadcrumb hand now. Look, how ridiculous, I forgot. Okay, I told you I always forget me dry me wet hand. And all my hands are blooming gunky and coated now. Right. So we got that. So now we're looking back at our goujon. And we're looking that these are nice and brown now. Look at those, they look wonderful. All the coconutty, give it that little bit of texture as well. I'm just going to get a towel. Get a decent plate. What have they done to my plates? Right, so we'll get a towel and we'll just rest the goujons on the towel to absorb any excess oil. We'll whack the next 3 on. Lovely. So we got that. So then we've got our goujons. They're nice and crisp and cooked. On the plate with... Oh, that's a beautiful little starter, that is. There you go. Crispy coconut goujons, stroke nuggets, with a homemade crispy salsa. Keep cooking.